What's up guys, Ricky here, coming at you live from the trunk of my Subaru with another Crosstrek video. After ordering this Crosstrek with the LED upgrade for map and dome lights and in general just getting LEDs for the entire car, I was surprised that the trunk light was basically left unloved. So here we are. Today we'll be taking a look at changing out the stock Crosstrek super dim and awful trunk light for a much brighter LED. Unfortunately, you're just going to have to take my word for it that these are quite a bit brighter, since it's hard to capture light intensity differences on camera. After watching a few other channels to see what they did, I ended up picking up these LEDs from Amazon. Good reviews, and around $10 for 10 of them in a pack. So yeah, install was super simple. A small pry tool or coin is needed to pop off the light cover. You take the old bulb out carefully and put the new one in. The cover slides back and pops in, and that's it. You now have an LED upgrade. Well guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a whole bunch more Crosstrek mods. Thank you.